Welcome to Vacmasters, the leader in air vacuum excavation. Vacmasters is located just outside of Denver, Colorado on a 5-acre site near the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. Here, we pothole in just about every type of soil imaginable, from clay-like bentonite, limestone, sandstone, and shale. This is our own 20,000 square foot manufacturing facility where we design, engineer, fabricate, assemble, test, and sell directly to you, which eliminates the middleman. Come inside to see where it all comes together. All Vacmaster products are designed in response to what you tell us you need to help you do your work more efficiently, safely, and productively. With your input as a starting point, and with the benefit of almost 60 years of machine design experience, our engineers and technicians design vacuum excavation systems to solve customers' problems. Our proprietary technologies are trade secrets that allow us to produce systems that offer customers the performance, quality, and reliability that they have come to expect from a Vacmaster system. It all comes down to attention to detail and listening to what you, the customer, wants. Every step of the manufacturing process, from receipt of parts and raw materials to final assembly testing and inspection, occurs under the guidance and supervision of our skilled craftsmen. Many have been with us for more than 30 years. We have been a family-owned and operated engineering and manufacturing company in business for over half a century. We take pride in our vacuum excavation systems and hold high the trust you place in us by becoming our customer. Now that you have a feel for our operation, let's go outside to see the system pothole in action. The system that you see here, the System 5000, is the newest addition to the Vacmasters product line and will enable you to pothole effectively in any type of soil. This is the supervisory control panel that automatically monitors all systems, even has auto shutdown if needed. The system is set up so 2 workers can run the equipment without constantly monitoring the controls. Let's see the system pothole in action. We're making this hole in real time. While they're busy here, let me show you how the system potholes with air. In the case of the System 5000, compressed air at 220 psi is delivered to this fiberglass air lance and passes through this specially designed proprietary AirTech nozzle. If we look inside, we can see how it works. The nozzle accelerates the air to supersonic velocities, enabling it to penetrate the surface and deliver its air still in its compressed state to the soil beneath. This dirt is really hard. It's compact and difficult to penetrate, but here's how air does it. Even though the ground appears solid and packed, all soil contains minute cracks and fissures. Our highly charged airstream is forced into these microscopic pockets. As the pressure builds up inside these pockets, the air rapidly expands from within the soil, breaking apart and crumbling the soil for easy vacuuming. So, the air pressure builds, the earth breaks apart, and loose soil gets vacuumed as more compressed air is forced into the ever-deepening hole. All of this happens simultaneously within a fraction of a second. We really aren't chipping at the surface or drilling with air to make a pothole. The system literally crumbles the soil from within, breaks it up, and then sucks it up. You know, one of the greatest things about air versus water is that the air is faster in most soils, with an average time of 3 to 7 minutes to dig a 12-inch by 12-inch by 5-foot deep pothole. You'll find that you'll be potholing 100% of the time with air, and with air, the spoils stay dry for backfilling, so you don't have to worry about hauling mud, disposal cost, and then bringing in backfill. Air is much safer for operators, especially when working around electrical lines. Plus, it's Department of Transportation safe. It won't harm the road base. These features and benefits make a powerful argument to switch from water to air for potholing. Okay, that should do it. Let's see what we got. As you can see, air is extremely efficient, neat, clean, fast, and safe. And make no mistake, this soil is really hard. Remember, on average, you can dig a 12-inch by 12-inch by 5-foot pothole in 3 to 7 minutes. Of course, you can go deeper if necessary. In fact, we have many customers who have gone upwards of 25 plus feet down. So after the inspection has been made, the buried utilities located or repairs completed, simply back the unit up to the pothole, raise the hydraulic lift, and dump the dry spoils for backfilling and compacting. After you have tamped it down and applied a cold patch if in a street surface, you're done. Ready for the next job. Simple, clean, fast, and easy. Now if we would have potholed with water, we wouldn't be done. Not by a long shot. We would now have a spoils tank full of wet mud and the time and expense involved in hauling it off and the worry about where to dispose of it. In addition, we would then need to truck in dry backfill for the hole. There you have it. One dry pothole, excavated in less than 4 minutes. It's a state-of-the-art vacuum excavation system. Remember, you can reduce potholing costs, increase production, and reduce damage claims. And just as importantly, the system is from Vacmasters, the leader in air vacuum excavation. More than 700 companies around the country and overseas recognize the advantages of potholing with air and use one of the Vacmaster air systems. When you become a Vacmasters customer, we repay your confidence with integrity, loyalty, and outstanding customer service. Join the Vacmasters Air Force. Isn't it time to stop wallowing in the mud and start potholing aerodynamically? Put the power of air to work for you with Vacmasters.